Hear the ground when the night breathes slow. Ancient footsteps start to glow. From ember tales and broken stone, we lift our voices, not alone. Hey. I was raised where the daylight bends, mountains guard me, ocean friends. Every mark on my skin tells truth, every lesson was carved in youth. I chased the shine of distant doors, wore borrowed names, walked foreign floors, but nothing felt the way it should, till I stood back where I once stood.
Boots don't fade when the road gets long, the drum still knows my heartbeat song.
Through every mile, through every roam, let 675 music take you home. One call rises, hear it now. Stand together here and now. From the hills down to the shore, we are more than ever before. One bloodline, one soul tone. Many paths, but we're never alone. Hand in hand, we carry on. WANTOK fire, forever strong. I've seen dreams fall out of grace. Watch time rewrite every face. Heard silence louder than the crowd. Learned who stays when the lights go out. Yeah. The sea still sings in the same key. The land still keeps a place for me. Even when my faith was torn, this ground remembered where I'm born.
The past still walks beside my name. Every step feels the same refrain. Through the noise, through skin and bone,
let 675 music take you home. One voice louder, answer strong. One foundation, stand as one. One bloodline, one soul tone. Different stories, the same backbone. From first light till the night is gone. WANTOK fire, burning on. Burning on. Stamp the ground, feel it rise. Clap the hands,
open eyes,
call it out.
pass it on.
This is us.
This is one.
Oh, one bloodline, one soul tone. Through the highs, through what we've known. Even when the world moves on, WANTOK spirit, drum beats
From
strong.
dust and flame, we find our way. Different voices, one thing to say.
Oh, won't you do